What would cause a hot water heater to stop working? Your home relies on your hot water heater for everything from showers to laundry. When it goes down, it's a huge disruption. So, you might wonder what would cause a hot water heater to stop working. Most hot water heaters rely on either electricity or gas. A lack of either of those will disrupt basic functions. Look for tripped breakers and faulty cords. For gas models, you'll probably need a plumber to figure out if the problem is with the gas line. Other common reasons include a faulty thermostat, loss in water pressure, and electronic ignition problems. On older models, the pilot light going out will also make hot water heaters stop working. If you need hot water heater repair in Olympia, Washington, contact Olympic Plumbing Technology at 360-515-3231 or visit our website at olympicplumbing.com for plumbing services.